There has been a push for an increased access to clean and affordable energy, especially for the increasingly growing rural population, to combat energy poverty, the effects of climate change, as well as protect the environment. It is in line with this that the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum convened regional stakeholders to discuss collaboration in production of sustainable energy. The private sector has been urged to identify investment opportunities within the sector to help the country become self-sufficient in supply and access to clean energy.
We have a very high number of investments in the generation. And our strategy as a ministry is to utilize PPP or public-private partnership model in generation of power.
Energy Permanent Secretary Engineer Joseph Njoroge says the private sector participation will focus on priority projects such as providing adequate power at affordable tariffs, implementation of adequate power transmission facilities, strengthen the expanding network to supply rural areas, and regional interconnection and power pools.
We, as African Development Bank, are supporting these regional integration projects, which are also sort of part of the priority projects identified for Africa as a whole in the context of the Programme for Infrastructure Development in Africa, PIDA.
We can export power to Uganda, we can import power from Uganda, the same thing with Ethiopia and so on. So these interconnections are very critical for the sustainability and even for effective use of the renewable energy that we all have.
The Sustainable Energy for All initiative aims at ensuring universal access to modern energy services. Kenya opted into this initiative in 2012 and has now completed its strategy documents, which will be implemented in both the national and county levels. Melin Miendo for NewsHour Business.